Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to possibly fix the green screen or the flicker on your screen on your PlayStation 5 if you have like a 4K TV or something like that. And this could be fixed with a simple setting that you might want to go ahead and try. And this is the transfer rate for your TV. So let's go up to settings right here, select this, and then scroll on down to where it says screen and video and select this. Then under here we want to go to the right and then go on down. And we're looking for 4K video transfer rate right here. And it's going to be selected to automatic. You want to try going to -1 or -2. It says adjust the transfer rate of the 4K video output. If your screen flickers, try selecting -1 or -2 to limit the transfer rate. Then we can go to learn more right here, and then we can read up on it a little bit more. It says when you select -1, the following output is limited: 4K 120 Hz, 4K 50 and 60 Hz. And then when displaying 4K content at 50 something, you have this color format being used. And then here is the -2 option down here. So just go ahead and try this if you're having some screen flickering with your 4K TV. It might actually help resolve it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. For more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.